Ever wondered why some people sneeze at the mere sight of a flower? It all boils down to how their immune system reacts to harmless substances. Allergies are essentially an overreaction. The body mistakenly identifies a harmless substance, like pollen or pet dander, as a dangerous invader. This triggers the release of histamine and other chemicals. It leads to those familiar allergy symptoms like sneezing, itching, and watery eyes. Genetics play a huge role in predisposing individuals to allergies. If your parents have allergies, you are more likely to develop them as well. The environment also plays a huge role. Early exposure to certain allergens can significantly increase the chances of developing allergies in the future.